and I could not deny the importance of the sexual instinct, you know.
Yes.
But later on, I saw that it was very one-sided. Because, you see, man is not only governed by the sex instinct, there are other instincts as well. For instance, in biology, you see, the nutritional instinct is just as important as the sex instinct. Also, in primitive societies, sexuality plays a role much more than food. Food is the all-important interest and desire. Sex, that is something I can have everywhere. They are not shy. But the food is difficult to obtain, you see? Yes. And so it is the main interest. And then in other societies, for instance, civilized societies, our tribe plays a much greater role than sex. For instance, there are many big businessmen who are impotent because their whole energy is going into money making or dictating the laws to everybody else. That's much more interesting than affairs of